What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Galaxy123 and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. So what does this do? It has an Infinity O display which has a higher resolution than my phone, and it has a triple lens camera. One of them it is a macro lens, one of them it is a ultra wide lens, and one of them it is a normal lens. And it has a night mode, and I can enable selfies and self-portraits to show much more clearer in the night mode. And then it is the first phone in the Nibel Legend 1 to 3 to have, you guessed it right, 5G connectivity, man. 5G connectivity. You won't even believe this. First phone in Nibel Legend 1 to 3. Can't even believe that. Wow. So let's get right into it. Right, let's open this up. Right inside here we'll get the phone itself. Very shiny in its glory. I love that phrase so much. And then we have this Samsung thing, and we have the UK standard power adapter. Really nice. I'll probably use this. And of course the things that probably won't get featured in future versions. I heard that the iPhone 12 doesn't have a power adapter, or it just has it doesn't even have earphones. It's just the phone. Also, I've heard. Right, and this is probably the USB-C cable. Same with the A30s. And I think that's pretty much it. And here's the main phone itself. Okay, so this is the most delicate part, the part that I remove the film of the phone. So the film is not actually, because over here is the screen protector, but if you go back here you can see how shiny that is. So I'm going to remove the film step by step in 3, 2, 1. This is a really shiny phone, and probably the most beautiful phone I've ever seen in my life. Really. No joke. Right, let's power this on. Wow, instant vibration. Oh man, Galaxy S20 FE. You know what this phone has? The exact same features of an S20. Yeah, it's just exactly the same, but like it has the same price in S20. And you know, it has a 120 hertz frames per second screen. Refresh rate. Okay, let's go. Right, end user license agreement. I've read everything. Next. You already see this? Next. Service provider setup. Okay, it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. Next. Oh, smart switch. Actually, you know what? Forget it. Don't copy. Okay, I need to sign in. Don't see this. Okay. I agree. And you know, this has Samsung DeX, by the way. Only S series and Note series have the Samsung DeX feature. Oh no, I was trying to set up Google Assistant. Okay, next. I thought this has Bixby. Oh, I think Bixby's dead. Okay, accept. Alright, fingerprints. You want to see this? Okay, start scanning with the center of a fingertip. Right. Done. And the finishing touches. This okay. I bet this is a software update or something. Oh, never mind. Okay, recommended apps. Nope. I mean, I'll sign. Oh yeah, Samsung account. Okay, all done. Unused apps will be put to sleep to extend your battery life. This will cause the apps to start working correctly. Type it prevent this. Okay, never mind. Finish. Ooh. And right here, we're now at the home screen. And let's see the specs of this thing. Wait. And software information. This is currently running Android 10. Android 12 should come out in a few months, right? And later, yes, the maximum version you could run is probably Android 11. But this could run even more than that. I'll show you the 120Hz feature later. I'll show it now. Oh, are you ready for this? This is fast. It's already sending me notifications. Okay, good. Wow. This is good. So there you have it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And future videos will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later, possibly in a future episode. Okay, see you guys anyway. Peace.